How's it going, my little daffodils? Thank you so much for joining me. Daft here once again, and this one I'm going to kick off with Procreate sketch, and actually the whole thing gets completed in Procreate. I wanted to touch base on the whole condo collapse that happened in Florida not too long ago. I posted this on Facebook as well as my editor had run the cartoon in that week's issue. A lot of people seem to be confused over it. I was basically wanted to just show the level of destruction that happened in the collapse of the condo. I wasn't poking fun at it at all. I think it's absolutely horrific. One of the people that sort of follows me, sort of doesn't follow me on Facebook, sort of took issue with it, but at the same time, I made my position pretty clear. It didn't seem to do any good for him. But the reality is, he spent a lot of time arguing with me, kind of not really talking down to me, but kind of talking down to me. And I sort of just reminded him that I had no idea who he was, and I wouldn't spend a second of my time critiquing any of his work, but yet he sort of spent a lot of his time talking about me, so there's that. The cartoon is just basically about how I just can't believe nobody has been charged with the crime because it really looked like something that you would see in King Kong versus Godzilla or Godzilla versus King Kong, depending on how you want to look at it. So there's that. Anyway, this is done in Procreate. I had a really good time doing it. Yeah, I gotta say, big monkey fighting big lizard. It's actually a lot of fun. I messed around with the color schemes. Um, Kept the colors pretty simple, not too much highlight and shadow, but just enough to make it look sort of handmade. Sort of. Still haven't gotten the hang of it to make it look as close to what I can do with a paintbrush, but anyway, keep trying, right? Thank you so much for joining me once again. Please subscribe and hit the like button, as well as the bell notification if you want to stay in the loop. Thank you so much. I dig you all, and until the next time.